So I haven't really been online, like making content on my YouTube channels recently. So I've been busy like making content for my courses. Yeah. But unfortunately, like it's not everyone who is able to afford the courses that I make. Like the courses are really great, most of them. Let me just say all of them. But it's not everyone who is able to afford them, and people are scared of trying out things which might not work for them. So I've had a lot of time to think about how I can make my courses be available for everyone. So for example, the forex course that costs 2,000, of which no one even buys. Like it's really expensive, but why is it expensive when someone is not even, when people are not even buying? Like why do I make it too expensive? Well, it's because it's worth the money and it's worth the time I spent creating. And as I said, I spent almost 6 months creating it, and it's knowledge that I've gathered over the past 6 years, so it's worth it. Okay, but yeah, even though it's expensive, I still want people to learn forex. Those who are interested. Okay, but actually, for those who can't afford the course, I've actually been creating videos about forex on my channel. It's just that my channel has got a lot of content, so it's not easy to follow along or find the videos to watch, and they're not in order. So this is why the forex course, which is the premium one, makes it easier for you to learn. So by the way, the content in my forex course is not available on my YouTube channel. It's something that I've created, okay, specifically, okay, for people who are going to pay, other than getting from my YouTube what I've already posted. It's different. So as I said that I don't have much time to think about how I can make my courses more affordable for someone to enroll. So let me just head over to my courses page. So for example, the affiliate course is currently at $18. It was $9, but you might be having a question like, why do I increase the prices of my courses? Well, I price my courses based on the value and time I spent creating them. So based on the value, like how value is the course, like how can the information this course has change you or help you in life? Okay, that is how I value my courses. So let us say today I create a course. So the thing is, when I create courses, I just don't end there. I keep on updating. Some of you keep on asking questions or suggesting things like talk about this, do this. So the thing is, the more I add value to the course, okay, the more I add content, the more I make more videos, the more the price will be increasing. So if you notice recently, some of these courses, for example, this one here to buy things online, it used to be like 50 kwacha and it's now like 100 kwacha because I added more content to make it valuable. So the thing is, if you enroll now and I increase the price of the course, you're not going to pay anything. So like the either you enroll, actually the better. Now let's talk about how you can actually afford the course. So for example, if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, which is like $18, how much is $18 in kwacha right now? So let me just check on Google. $18 to ZMW. So that's like 325 kwacha. So it's not everyone that can afford the 325 to pay for the course. So I've come up with two methods. So the first method is that I'm going to be allowing people to pay in installments. Like you pay, maybe you see how much you can afford a month or per week to pay until you finish. But once you pay, you'll be learning. Okay, this is the first method that I've come with. The second method is giving you access to all the courses, but you'll be paying a monthly fee, which is where you never stop. When you stop paying, you lose access completely. So the first method of getting access is where you pay for an individual course, but you pay it in installments. For example, this course for 325, if you can't manage paying at once, you can be paying, let us say, 100 kwacha per month, then you finish in 3 months. But of course, when you buy this course, obviously you're going to finish learning it maybe in 2 days. And when you finish learning it in 2 days, I don't think there's any reason why you should continue paying when you've learned already. So that would be a bad thing on my side, because it's going to be like cheating. Honestly, even me, I can't continue paying for something that I've already gotten. Okay, but I usually try to be good, so I would continue paying. But for other people, we wouldn't continue. So the other method is the second one, whereby it gives you access to all the courses. I'm sure you're scared of buying a course and thinking, what if it does not work for you? But what if it gives you access to all the courses, all right? But and you're not going to pay all the the huge amount for all the courses. Instead, you're going to be paying a fixed monthly fee, okay, to access all the courses. Let us say you'll be paying 200 quarter every month, and you're going to be accessing all the courses, even future courses. So here's what's going to happen. So if you choose the second method, it means that, okay, you have to continue paying. When you stop paying, you even lose access. So this means that, for example, if you pay for 1 month and you punish yourself, you learn everything in 1 month, then good for you. Um, good for you. You've finished everything. You can stop paying. Okay. I think this way it will even show some seriousness, because currently there are people who are buying the course, but they're not watching what they paid for. Like, why would you pay for something and again not make use of it? Like, you really need to watch and try it for yourself and tell yourself that has failed. Better that way, not whereby you pay for something and you don't watch. Okay, that's something else. So let me know, like, if which one do you think is good, like where you pay for an individual course but in installments, or get access to all the courses, okay, but you pay a fixed monthly fee, okay, which you can stop paying anytime you feel like you are done with all the courses. But remember that when you stop paying and they drop a new course, okay, you are not going to have access to that course because you stopped paying a long time ago. So it means that you have to resubscribe again. So I don't know if what I'm talking about makes sense, Kaya. I don't know, but if it does, let me know what you think in the comment section. But for now, this is Keith.